Get up in there. Can you do it? Yeah. Show mommy. Where's your Buddha, KK? Oh, Buddha. Buddha. Are you sucking it in? Come see Mama over here. Stand up for Mom. Come over here. Look at that big girl standing up by herself. Now sit back down. Good job. Now come see Mama again. Come see Mama. Come see Mama. Oh, good job. Are you big? Are you big girl? Huh? Are you big girl? No? No? You're acting like a big girl. Yeah. Can you come see Mom again? Come see Mom. Come stand up over here by Mommy. You can do it. Ready? Oh my goodness. Good job. Yeah. Clap your hands. Clap them. You did good. Can you clap your hands? Well done. Well done. Well done. Where's your shirt? Where is it? Your Elmo shirt you want to wear? That's a surprise. Did you see Sean today at therapy? Yeah. Did you get a sticker? Where's your sticker? KK, where's your sticker? Sticker? Where is it? Yeah? I don't think I understand that. I love you. Say bye-bye.